Car Shipping Cherokee County, Alabama Premium Auto Transport. Cherokee County, named after the native Cherokee tribe, is located in the northeastern part of the state of Alabama. The county, which neighbors Georgia, has several major cities, such as Center and Spring Garden. Here, at One Auto Transport, we provide our services in the state of Alabama, which includes shipping cars to or from Cherokee County. Our previous customers in the county include visitors, residents, corporate clients, and auto dealers. In car transport, experience is important. Companies with many years of experience have extensive knowledge in the transport industry. They will know how to handle challenges in car transport such as bad weather and unpredictable traffic. You are not looking for just any experience, but experience shipping cars to or from Cherokee County. You should only hire a company which has previously shipped cars to locations in Cherokee County, such as Cedar Bluff, Center, and Spring Garden. The lack of experience in these shipping routes might result in delayed car delivery or avoidable accidents. To request a price estimate from One Auto Transport Shipping, you can use the online form available on our site or call us at 1-888-230-9116.